Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to teach you about Shopify. Okay? In this video, I will talk about creating your Shopify store. Okay? So, I'm going to use the 14 days free trial of Shopify. Okay, I will insert my email address to start off this now. We are going to start with this 14-day trial by giving in a reliable password. So I will not show you that. Hmm. Then your store name. Of course, we are going to use your gaming. Okay. Well, let's create our store. This is quite laggy because I'm using my laptop. Okay. Nope. I'm never going to use this. So our store has been created. So let's start. So in this video, we are going to tackle only the basic parts of Shopify. Okay. So tell us a little about yourself. So are you already selling? In the real world, I don't sell for now, but maybe in the future. So for this video only, I will use I'm selling just not online. Okay. So when would you like to launch your store? I'm ready to go. Maybe? How do you want to sell? Or online only? What is your current revenue? Just getting started, of course. Which industry will you be operating in? So it's here your gaming, so it's electronics. So if you're just setting up this Shopify store for a client, you will check this. But if not, so you don't need it. Let's next. So we will just fill up this form, and I do have my autofill here. Then don't need that. Uh, this part is it's optional if you don't have your own website, and just leave it blank. So let's enter my store. Just taking too long. Okay, now we are in our home page. So you can see here we can add our product or customize our theme and add the domain. For this video, I will not add a domain because I don't have any website right now. You can also buy a domain here, but I don't really recommend this because it's kind of unprofessional. And also, you will look like a cheap person if you buy a subdomain here. Okay, so for now, we are going to use the customized theme. Okay, so in the Shopify, you can also buy a theme here so that you can um, try to pick a theme that suits your business. Okay, uh, there's some free or also there are paid one, but for now we are going to use some free themes here. So let's explore free themes. Okay, so we are a technology based store, so maybe we could see something here that could potentially sit. So maybe we could use this minimal. Okay, I think. So let's add this theme to the library. And then also, if you disable this password, you could access it wherever you want. But in this video, we won't use it. Okay? So let's customize. Okay, so you can see here we could um, see would be the um what would look like our store. So you can see here. So are the live. Um, okay, so let's go back. Yes, we can all save it. Okay, let's go back to the. Let's go to the home page again. Now let's start adding a product here back to home. Okay, so adding a product is very simple in Shopify. So all you need to do is like a title of a product and also adding a picture, maybe a video. So let's start by adding a video or picture. Now let's try this. I already created this um, previously and we are going to use it. So let's use this name as GT60 600. I mean, rather Red 6. So this is a gaming chair. So we could customize our description here because look at this. We could format it, use bold, italize, underline. And you can also change the font's color, whatever you want. So the gaming chair for the ages. So let's try to change the color, font color, and if it also bold it. Yep. And let's turn it back to black. Best gaming chair you will all market it now. Okay, so we will add the price of this gaming chair. So let's try 1,000. Compare the price is maybe 1,500 to show how much been reduced. So it lowered the price. So maybe this is a marketing strategy. Okay, so we don't need to charge the tax on this product. Okay, so in this pane we don't need to fill up this because we don't need it right now. So this is a physical product, and to be honest with you, I don't know what's the weight of this gaming chair. So customize information. Oh, we're in the Philippines, so let's search for the Philippines here. Okay, so we don't need it also. So this is only red. So let's save it and let's see what it looks like in our home page. So go to our online store. So now, guys, I just forgot to publish um, our theme so that we could try to open it. Okay, we don't need to customize it. I'll click there. So let's go back. So now we need to publish it first so that we can see what's going on at it. Okay, so don't mind this. Yeah, there we go. So our theme is published. We could view our store now here, and we could see the first product that we added. Okay, so this would be our store. Okay, see that? It's very neat, right? We could also customize it whatever we want. We could also add our other products and also the logo and the other um, slides that we want. So here is our product in the catalog page. So yep, here's it. Wow, it's sold out. It's very much one of the best things would you ever. Now, the reason why it's out of stock because we didn't put any stock at all. So let's go back to our home page. Let's go to our settings. So here we are going to discuss only for settings here. So we are going to discuss general, payments, checkout, and shipping delivery. So the others are can be taught by yourself, also, especially legally. We don't know that. So let's try first general. Okay, it's very laggy. So here you could see the details of our store. So the store address, yeah, of course, standards and formats, and store currency. Okay, so let's go back. Now let's go to the payment page. So here in this page, we are going to discuss what is the payment method that the customer needs. Okay, so you could um, you could use any types of online banking. Okay, so I also have my um, PayPal account, so I won't use it here because I do have my own. You can also choose a third party providers like, for example, to check out these credit cards and you know every sort of available paying methods that are your country has. Okay, so yep. So for this, we'll try this pay via PayMaya. Okay, so yeah. So I won't put any type any information here. So let's go back again. So everything here is about payments. Okay, so you could also use the alternative payment methods such as mm, Coinbase, or you can also use Bitcoin here, because right now you have so many investors that using Bitcoins. And also you could use manual payment methods like CODs or bank deposit, like that. So let's go back. So let's go to checkout. So if the customer is going to check out, like they are done shopping in your page, um, do the customer needs to have his own account or not? But usually every shopping sites is having their own account, so that they could go back to the store anytime they want. Okay, so for this you could use account are required. For that's quite, for me it's mandatory, but for now we are going to use accounts are disabled. Okay, so customer contact also just most likely like this, and form options, and this is the, of course, the information of the customer and the tipping. So of course the tipping is the type of payment that supports your um, page or your shopping site. And that's it. Order processing, and this is also optional. And let's go back again. And lastly is shipping and delivery. Now, so we could be shipping from your own country or maybe domestically from the rest of the world. So we could manage the rates. Yes, of course. Uh, yeah. So for local delivery, we could um, try to contact our local delivery providers like JRS Express, LBC, like that. So that's a sample. And we could also um, um, edit our payment slip or the packing slip that the customer would receive. So we could also preview it here. So this is the code that the packing slip would be. So you could edit it if you knew how to code. Maybe I could go back to this in some other video, but if I tell you everything about it, it would take very long. So this could be the sample, the packing slip, and let's go back again. And that's about it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it, and also please suggest more. And thank you and have a nice day.